This was given to me by the seller for my consideration. Now this is the Moo Glamour Matte Lipsticks. I love the combination of these earthy, natural tones. You can wear them singularly or layer them for a nice ombre kind of look. Now, a lot of matte lipsticks, they tend to be, I don't know, chalky, kind of, I don't know, rough going on, but these are creamy and dreamy. I love the way they feel. They taste good, and they make my lips look moisturized. And because it's matte, it also gives me a very natural, kissable finish. I like them. Oh, and they don't leave a mess on your teeth either. I think you'll like them too.